Hello and welcome back to 60-second Jeep Wisdom. You know, one of the things I love about the Jeeping culture is the exchange of ideas that goes on with Jeepers. And today I want to share something with you, a product that I used for the first time a couple weeks ago while we were on the trail in Moab, and it worked great. And let's take a look at that. So this is marketed by a company called GOWESTY. I'll leave a link for you in the description below. But this came out of a conversation I was having with Britt from American Adventure Lab, and Britt does a lot of overlanding, and you know, he's designed some pretty great products, and he'd been using this for a while, and he said, you know, why don't you give this a try? You know, he likes it. He said it may work for me, and sure enough, this thing was great. You know, like I said, I carry 2 gallons of fresh water with us in the RotoPax can, and this will convert that into give you a spigot, so it's super easy to draw water off. It will keep you from having to pick up that 2 gallons and, you know, dispense it just for a cup, you know, or whatever, you know, your needs are. But I thought I'd recommend this and pass this on to you guys, just like it was passed on to me. It's a great product. It works well. It's except for $23 to be able to convert that and make it more useful. I love it. Let's take a look how we used it at the campsite. My Spout Kit arrived just before we left for this trip, so I ended up assembling it at camp. Not really a problem, it's very simple to put together. Install this threaded stainless steel insert into the end of your RotoPax can. Reinstall the RotoPax cap and tighten. Next, install the rest of the Spout Kit onto this, and boom, you're done. Simple and easy. We had to set up a camp with us, but it would work just as well out of the back of your Jeep. That's this week's topic. Hope you guys are doing well. Until next time, stay safe and be well.